Hey friends, looking for a perfect weekend escape? This is Valley Bear Farms. The youths are spacious, clean, and super cozy, surrounded by beautiful nature. We had so much fun making Maggie, sipping chai, and enjoying pizza together. Simple joy and pure happiness. The wood sauna is amazing, and the sunrise and sunset views are breathtaking. It's calm, safe, and totally family friendly. A getaway everyone will love. Honestly, this place is perfect for relax